You don't need a degree to earn $2,000 per month in Dubai. Here are the top 5 high paying jobs you can start right now. Dubai is one of the fastest growing job markets in the world, and the best part is many high paying jobs don't require a college degree. In this video, I will show you the top 5 no degree jobs in Dubai, along with salary details and how you can apply. Job number 1, Heavy Equipment Operator. This job includes operating machines like excavator, bulldozer and loaders. These jobs are always in demand due to construction project in Dubai. The average salary ranges from $1,200 to $2,000 per month, plus benefits like accommodation and overtime. Job number 2, Truck Driver. If you have a valid driving license, you can earn a stable income in Dubai. Truck drivers typically earn between $1,000 to $1,800 per month, depending on experience and company. Job number 3, Construction Worker. This is one of the easiest jobs to get without a degree. Salary usually start from $800 to $1,500 per month, and most companies provide free accommodation and transport. Job number 4, Cleaner or Helper. This job is available in hotels, offices, and companies across Dubai. You can earn around $700 to $1,200 per month, with additional benefits in many cases. Job number 5, Delivery Driver. With the growth of online shopping, delivery jobs are increasing rapidly. You can earn between $900 to $1,600 per month, including tips and bonuses. To apply for these jobs, you need a valid passport and a UAE work visa. Basic English skills can help you get better opportunities. Experience is a plus, but many companies also hire beginners. Always apply through legal and verified channels. Avoid agents who ask for large upfront payments. If you are planning to work in Dubai and build a future, these no degree jobs can be your starting point. Subscribe for more videos about jobs, salaries, and opportunities worldwide. Thanks a lot.